Hey guys, today we're going to show you something a little bit different. Baja Designs also makes a fog replacement kit for Subaru and Ford. And since I'm the owner of a Subaru now, I wanted to show you guys how easy it is to install Baja Designs fog lights into the factory fog location. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is to install these Rally Innovations brackets to the Squadron Sport round lights. It's pretty easy. They include all of the bolts for you to make it simple. And then once you've done that, you're going to come in here and remove these two bolts that are holding the fog assembly in the factory location. After you've taken those bolts out, it's really as simple as unplugging the factory light from the harness and taking the light out. Now that you have the bracket attached to the light, you're going to slide it into this position. And using the same factory bolts, you're going to fasten it. Now you're going to connect the wires from your light into the factory wiring harness that you've just detached from the factory fog lights. And then before we put the bumper back on, we're going to test the lights and make sure that they work. So now we're going to put the bumper back on, and we've installed our Baja Designs Rally Innovations Fog Pocket Kit for the Subaru Crosstrek. So this Fog Pocket Kit and all other fog replacement kits available from Baja Designs can be found on our website, regofabrication.com. As always, make sure and email us, info@regofabrication.com, to get the best deal.